Multiply using partial products. How can we use place value and partial products to multiply by a one-digit number? That's our essential question. Let's unlock the problem. How can we use what we know about the distributive property to break apart numbers to find the products of a three-digit and one-digit numbers? In other words, how can you write 182 as a sum of hundreds, tens, and ones? First thing we're going to do is expand it. 100 plus 80 plus 2. We're going to use place value and partial products. Let's multiply 6 times 182. First thing we want to do is estimate it. Since this is 5 and above, we're going to round this to 200. 6 times 200 is 1200 or 1200. Same thing. Okay, let's look at our model. Step 1, we're going to shade the model. Remember, we broke this apart into expanded form. Right here, we have 100 plus 80 plus 2. Let's look at the first thing, 6 times 100. Well, that's going to be 600. I want to make sure that I line up my place value. This is a little small, so just bear with me. But first we're going to multiply the hundreds. 6 times 100 equals 600. So here we have 600. Step 2 is to multiply the tens. 6 times 80. Well, I know that 6 times 8 is 48, so 6 times 80 has got to be 480. So I've already have my 600 here, and now I'm going to add in my 480. Again, I want to try to line up the numbers as best as I can, because in the end, I need to add them all together. Step 3, now I'm going to multiply the ones place. So 6 times 2 is 12, and I'm going to add that right here. Here's my 600, my 480, and now my 12. Step 4 is to add them all together. 600 plus 80 plus 12. So I have a 2, I have a 9, and I have a 10. So since 6 times 182 equals 1092, and since this is close to our original estimate of 1200 or 1200, we know that it is reasonable. Try to use the distributive property to find 4 times 257. Go ahead and you do it the same way. Let's talk about it the next time.